Alrighty guys, today we're going to put together the Mainstays 6-foot floor lamp with reading light. Get her out of the box. Should be easy to put together, right? Probably shouldn't need instructions, but hey, just in case you do, we got you covered. Got your book here, got your little plastic shade, your bigger plastic shade. That's probably going to be the top one. That's going to be the reading lamp. Let's see, then you got all kinds of crap that's in the way, right? Of course, why would there not be stuff in the way preventing you from picking it up? Okay. Alright, everything's out of the box. Yes. Shove that off to the side. Now you got your stand part, right? This is the cord that's going to use for most of it. Let's see here. It should be fairly simple, right? Let's see. Find your cord, follow your cord along, and find your first piece of metal that's going to go into the cord. Go ahead and rip that plastic off though, and then just kind of pour down through the cord. Get her lined up with the threads, and then thread it on. We'll put a link to this down below in the description. I mean, yeah. Next one here, you're going to do the same thing. Of course, peel your plastic off. Line her up. Thread her in. So if you're needing a lamp, right? Needing a new lamp, and you want to go cheap, it's going to work, right? I mean, because really, other than looks, why spend more money? With the ultimate goal of the lamp is to provide light. So you put the next one in, thread her on there. And it's nice because you don't have to know which one's next because they're all connected to the wire. Okay, so you can't pull this one through. So what we're going to do is we're going to skip a step here. We're going to tilt the top on and go ahead and thread that in because we're going to have to pull this wire all the way through the lamp, right? Alright, from here, just going to take this, try to line that up, right, so it's not resisting too much. Pull her all the way through, right? All the way through. Alright, once you get it lined up there, now you can set her down. Of course I pulled more through, right? Alright, so let's go ahead and grab a hold of that, get this lined up, and pull that down. Make sure you get her lined up right. Because that's going to be the biggest problem you're going to have with these. Is that, one, they are cheaper, right? Alright, so your shade here, unscrew your little retention nut. Put your shade on, put your retention nut back on. Yep, it's going to go on the same way that it came off, so the bigger flat end is going to go inside. Take your cap off your top one. Put your shade on there. Screw the cap back on. That cap just holds the shade. That's all she does. And oh, what the hell? Yep, this problems you might run into. At the factory, they didn't put this on very well, so we're going to get this down here, get it tightened on there, because they didn't put it on straight. Now we can do this. the problem with factories, you know. Hourly employees, they just don't do. Sometimes they just do the bare minimum, and if they screw up, they don't care. Anyway, she's together. Let's get some light bulbs in here, and we'll turn her on so you can see how she looks. Now I'm going with my favorite LED Amazon basic ones. Just because they're cheap, right? They work. At point blank period, they work. Put your little bulbs in there. And we can plug her in. Oh, look at that. Look at that. That is almost beautiful. There, we can just rotate this around and be right in my face. Hi, how you doing? Or rotate her to wherever you need her. So this is going to go back behind my chair. That way I get a little bit more light behind me. And I can move this around if I need to, because a lot of times I need an extra light. But push button here on the back. Oh, no, twisty thing on the back to turn her off. Twisty thing on the side here to turn that off. And bada bing, bada boom. Hell yeah. Anyway, hope that helps you out putting one of these together. Not overly difficult, not, you know, too much time consuming there. It's just be careful when you're lining the stuff up to make sure that you don't miss thread. Anyway, thanks for watching. If you liked the video, if it helped you out at all, please hit the like button. Feel free to hit that subscribe button. And of course, you know, if you really want to be notified of more videos similar to this, go ahead and ding that bell. That way you'll be notified of new videos in the future. Bye!